Why don't seniors take a cooking class before retirement? Because they don't want to stir up any trouble after finally getting out of the ratatouille race. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on cooking classes for seniors. Tip 1. Choose the right cooking class. Before enrolling, make sure the cooking class is appropriate for the senior's skill level and interests. If they're beginners, they may benefit from basic culinary skills, while those with more experience might prefer specialized courses such as baking, grilling, or ethnic cuisine. Understanding the course outline and equipment requirements is also essential. Tip 2. Ensure the location and schedule are convenient. If a senior has mobility issues or relies on public transportation, choosing a cooking class near their home or offering transport services would be ideal. Equally important is the class schedule. Seniors usually prefer daytime classes when they are more energetic. Tip 3. Aim for smaller class sizes. Huge classes can be overwhelming, and it could be difficult to get personalized attention from the instructor. Smaller classes are better because they allow direct interaction, hands-on training, and one-on-one feedback from the chef trainer. Tip 4. Consider online cooking classes, particularly for seniors who have mobility issues or prefer learning at their own pace. Online cooking classes are a good option. They can watch and replay the cooking sessions anytime they want, and they can also avoid the stress of being in an actual cooking class. Tip 5. Focus on healthy cuisine. Seniors should look for cooking classes that not only teach delicious recipes, but are also focused on healthy and nutritious meals. This is crucial as aging calls for a special focus on diet, necessitating balanced and nutrient-rich meals. Tip 6. Verify the pace of the class. Some cooking classes can be fast-paced, which might not suit some seniors. It's essential to choose a class with a pace that allows enough time for learning, understanding, and practicing the cooking skill being taught. Tip 7. Look for interactive classes. It's not only about learning how to cook dishes. Interaction with fellow students adds enthusiasm and fun to learning. This can also provide a sense of community, which is beneficial for seniors. Tip 8. Ensure safety measures. Cooking involves dealing with fire, sharp objects, and heat. Make sure the class you choose places an emphasis on safety measures and provides guidance on how to use kitchen tools and equipment safely. Tip 9. Look for classes that cater to dietary restrictions. Many seniors have specific dietary needs due to health issues. Classes that offer choices accommodating dietary restrictions such as low sodium, gluten-free or vegetarian options would be more suitable for them. Tip 10. Check for the availability of proper facilities. The environment where the class is held should be clean, well-equipped, and easy to navigate. The facilities should be senior-friendly, including having railings, non-slip flooring, and ample lighting. Tip 11. Ensure there is a value for money. Check whether the cost of the class is justifiable by considering factors like the duration of the course, the cuisine being taught, the reputation of the instructor, and any extras like recipe books or ingredients being provided.